This drone video narrative is engineered by using the DJI intelligent flight modes of active track trace, tripod mode, waypoints, and hyperlapse. The video construct is achieved by conflated different video clips taken on different days but linked timewise to swimmers starting from Manly Beach, then swimming to Shelly Beach and back to Manly Beach. Surf's up, the clarion call to the bower, but you won't be alone, be sure of that. You and the other 1,000+ you'll have for company. Using the DJI Go 4 app and selecting from the intelligent flight modes active track trace, box in your subject to be followed on the phone screen and add rotation with the slider. Locking onto a subject, a kayak, which here presents a strong contrast against a dark blue background, as this is an optical lock-on and not a GPS one. It is very easy in the changing morning lighting at sunrise for the drone to disconnect as the image changes character on drone rotation about the kayak. So point the drone camera downwards so as to minimize too much variation in subject lighting.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? And did I get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Arches for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comfort for change. And did you exchange a walk on a part in the war for a lead role in a cage?
Pull the right-hand stick towards you to increase the drone's orbital radius. Push the left-hand stick forward away from you to increase the drone's height. Remember to work the sticks.
How I wish you were here. We just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What we found, the same old fears. Oh, I wish you were here. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue sky from pain? Can you tell a green field from a ghostly rain? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? We just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What we found, the same old fears. Oh, I wish you were here. How I wish you were here. How I wish you were here. We just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? And did I get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comfort for change. And did you exchange a walk on a part in the war for a lead role in a cage? So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? And did I get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comfort for change. And did you exchange a walk on a part in the war for a lead role in a cage? Fears. Oh, I wish you were here. think you can tell heaven from hell, blue sky from pain? Can you tell a green field from a ghostly rain? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? We just do love so.
Push the left-hand stick forward and slightly to the left-hand side of centre so that the drone is ascending and rotating slowly anti-clockwise. Not too slowly, or you will take too long to reach 120 metres height, and not too quickly, or you will lose that cinematographic effect. Pull the right-hand stick back towards you and to the right-hand side of centre so that your orbital radius will be increasing. Synergistically, this creates a drone helix motion track.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a ghostly rail? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? And did I get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hot ashes for trees, hot air for a cold breeze, cold comfort for change. And did you exchange?